Hello everyone, I'm Shao, a PhD student of Case Western Reserve University. It is a great honor for me to have this opportunity to present my paper here. The title of my paper is WebEvo, Taming Web Applications Evolution via Semantic Structure Change Detection. In order to prevent information retrieval tools and robotic process automation tools from functioning improperly due to website evolution, it is important to develop web monitoring tools to monitor changes in a website and report them to the developers and testers. Existing monitoring tools make use of DOM tree-based similarity between different versions of web pages to identify web element changes. However, they are facing two challenges. First, they cannot distinguish content-based changes and semantic structure changes. Second, they cannot identify GUI widget evolution. First, I will illustrate what are content-based changes and why they can be ignored. Content-based changes are web contents being constantly updated based on what a web server delivers to the browser. These type of changes usually do not cause task failures, as RPA tools typically locate these contents using their parent elements, which remain unchanged and thus can be ignored. Here is a content-based change example. The left picture is a popular product section of Apple web page, which was captured on February 8, 2018. The right picture was captured one day later. Apparently, this change is a content-based change. It should be detected and ignored. The second challenge relates to using CV techniques to perform visual analysis on the web elements. Sometimes, an evolved web page may move a web element to a different location but preserve its semantics and appearance. Here is an example of the location change element. The example's menu was moved to a different location in the evolved page. If we adopt DOM tree-based change detection, it will consider the upper example's menu as deleted and the lower example's menu as added, which is not right. We need to have a monitoring tool which can identify this location change and creates mapping between two examples menus so that RPA tools or test scripts that operate on the upper examples menu can be automatically fixed by using the mapping. To address these challenges, we propose WebEvo, an automated web monitoring tool that detects web elements with semantic structure changes. WebEvo first performs DOM tree-based change detection and then leverages historic pages to identify the content-based changes, which can be safely ignored. Further, WebEvo adopts semantics-based visual search, which combines both text similarity and image similarity to identify GUI widget evolution. We evaluate WebEvo on 10 real-world websites. Overall, WebEvo effectively identifies changed elements, as we can see the result here. That's the end of my presentation. Thank you for your listening.